An exclusive interview with the woman who shocked the country when she claimed she'd been attacked by a stranger with acid. Her story, though, took a bizarre turn when she admitted that she made it all up. Now, we want to warn you that some of the images in this report may be tough to watch. ABC's Abby Boudreau has her story.
From victim,
I could actually hear it bubbling and sizzling in my skin.
To villain.
It makes me sick.
3 years ago in Vancouver, Washington, 28-year-old Bethany Storrow told police out of nowhere a woman threw liquid acid in her face. But it turned out to be a hoax. Storrow did it to herself. In this exclusive interview with ABC News, Storrow is speaking out on camera for the first time.
And I made a mistake, and I hope that people will forgive me and give me a chance, because I'm a good person, I promise. I am.
Storrow, who's hard of hearing, says she had an undiagnosed case of body dysmorphic disorder, a mental illness that causes an obsession over minor or imagined flaws.
In the mirror, I saw a distorted monster.
Finally, when she couldn't bear the face she saw in the mirror anymore, she says she turned to liquid acid to melt it away. And she says to end her life.
It was like fire to my face. I was so happy. I thought I found the answer.
But she says when the pain became unbearable, she couldn't bring herself to drink the acid.
I'm freaking out, like, this isn't working. What am I gonna do now?
So she drove down the street and screamed for help.
Somebody screamed out, "Did someone do this to you?" I just said yes, and that's when it all began.
She even gave police a fake description of her alleged attacker.
If anybody knows any information of the girl that did this to me and help find her.
Did you kind of like all that attention with the cameras and the microphones?
Yeah, I did. And that moment I felt like I was cared for and I mattered.
2 weeks passed before police pieced together the clues and Bethany confessed.
And I'm so sorry to everybody, I really truly am.
In her new book, Facing the Truth, she says she's starting to feel more comfortable in her own skin.
Woo, it's hot.
So this is the new you.
Yes.
This is you.
Now, no longer seeing that monster in the mirror.
I'm sorry, it's hard. I'm still me. I'm still the same person, but better. You know, I'm getting better every day.
For Good Morning America, Abby Boudreau, ABC News, Los Angeles.
And we certainly wish Lindsay Storrow well. For more on her new book, meanwhile, go to goodmorningamerica.com on Yahoo.